What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're over here in Carbon Canyon. So Nate mentioned that he had some GoPros and that I could use them. So we're gonna do a POV video, and he's actually gonna mic up the car right now. So he's gonna get one for the engine bay and one for the exhaust. We actually have the GoPro mouth mount. It's a perfect point of view. So I'm gonna film a little bit of him setting it up, and then we're gonna get to driving since we're already in the canyon. Yeah, should be fun. All right, here's Nate. What's up, Nate?
What up, bro?
So I'm gonna put his YouTube channel right up here. You better go check it out because he's doing all this stuff for me. Okay, so you're putting one in the engine bay and then you're putting one next to the exhaust, right?
Yeah, okay, so like we have the omnidirectional, which picks up a certain like wave of sound. So we're gonna put that to get the intake sound.
Yeah.
And we have the cardioid, which is a more broad range. So that way we put it in the exhaust section, in the back, and we'll tape it to the back, and hopefully get some.
And it won't like, it won't like blow it out or anything.
No, you have to have a certain technique when you do what do you call it? How you tape it?
Oh, the taping.
Yeah, that, and also just getting your levels right. That's what
yeah,
we're doing.
yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Sweet. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we actually just installed a Status Group V1 muffler. So now my car has Euro headers and the V1 muffler. So it's actually really loud, way louder than it was before. If you watch any of my other videos, that's kind of why we decided to film this video, because it just sounds so good now. go check them out. But that's basically gonna do it for this video. I think we're gonna go get food, and I'll just keep it to the raw driving. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. If you like this style of video, the POV video, let me know in the comments, because we can do this more often. I can do this when I go to the track, stuff like that, where I can get more of like all-out driving instead of just kind of like leisurely driving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.